Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw a cute bunny holding a carrot. Let's start with a round head and 2 long ears. Now, draw the bunny's body and paws. Great job! Now, let's add some details. Draw 2 eyes, a nose, and a smile. Don't forget the pink cheeks and the fluffy tail. And now, draw the carrot with leaves on top. Almost there. Let's start coloring. Use light gray or white for the bunny's fur and pink for the cheeks and ears. Color the paws the same color as the fur. Finished drawing, you did awesome! Keep practicing and have fun! Hi, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color a cute bunny holding a strawberry. Let's get started and have some fun together! So far, you're doing awesome! Keep following the lines as we draw the bunny's ears, arms, and little paws. We're almost done with the outline. Keep going, and soon we'll be ready to color. Now it's coloring time. Let's start with the bunny. I'm using a bright yellow color, just like a sunny day. Don't forget to color carefully and stay inside the lines. What color will you use for the strawberry? Let your creativity flow. Look at that! Our bunny with the yummy strawberry is all colored in. You did such a wonderful job! Your artwork looks amazing, and I bet it's ready to hang up for everyone to see. Well done, little artist!